What's up, guys? This is Platinum Force and we're
back
with
another video.
And today we are going to be building a portable mountain bike ramp and just do sick jumps on over people and onto people and everything above.
And unto people. One
of our mountain bike buds might be heading over soon, but we're gonna start working on the project because who knows how long it will take. We're not gonna wait for him. We're gonna get started building this epic ramp, and after we build it, we're gonna give you some footage of us jumping it and testing it out. So let's get started with the build. We already measured and drew our design. We're making it about a foot and 4 inches tall and 30 inches long. And so that will be the 2 siding panels. We're gonna cut one, then trace the next one out of that, cut that. And I drew it using a skim board so that I can get a smooth angle instead of a crappy hand-drawn one. Yeah, boys, we're out here drawing graphs today. We got my exponential curve. All right, so what we have right now is the 2 siding plywood, and we have 2 support beams cut. We cut these at 17 inches, and right now we had to make some adjustment to these because they're too steep. So right now it's a foot tall and 29 inches long, and we're gonna cut 2 more of these. Tell you what it looks like after we're done with that. Speed test of how fast I can change from drill bit to drill bit. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. We made it 1 foot high, 29 inches long, and then we cut this at about 32 inches so that we have part of it hanging over to make it smoother. Drill the plywood into that, and then we'll be pretty set. Let's do that. All right, boys, we finished this sick looking mini kicker ramp that we can take wherever we want and do sick jumps on. We're gonna go ahead and test it out to see how it works. After further testing, we realized that we're gonna have to craft some sort of back support to prevent tipping once you hit the top at full force. But for now, I just want to jump it and send it, so we put some makeshift tilts in the back. But after, we're definitely going to fix it up. Already drew a design on it, and oh, I don't need a video.